Hello and welcome back. So now we are learning some more things in the Bootstrap. Actually, I just want to teach you about the labels and the badges. So first of all, I'm just putting in a tag in here, cover that. Okay, so here I'm just at this time I'm just putting in an hashtag, then cover that. And now here inside this what I'm gonna do is actually just typing the messages. Well, I can type anything according to the need, but here I'm just adding any space and typing span. Okay, now cover that, and here I'm just typing 5. Just suppose 6, whatever I type. Just suppose I just want to show that there are 6 messages. When I just go to the browser and refresh that, I got the messages 6. This is not looking really perfect. But if I add the class of badge here, BADGE badge, and now save that and refresh that. Now this is like the 6 messages, looking really perfect. You can add this badge anywhere. This is not necessary to add the badge inside the a tag. You can add the badge anywhere. Well, just for supposing some more things, I'm just putting 29, and here I'm just typing notification. We can use the badge for notification as well. This is an example. Save and refresh that. Now notification 27. This is what I just want to show you. Here I'm just adding a BR tag for just adding an enter, a line break. Well, just for teaching you, I'm adding a button as well, because I just want to show you that we can apply the badges to the button as well. Okay, so here I'm going to the button and adding a class of BTN and then BTN default or the primary, whatever color you like, primary. And here I'm just typing click to see the notification, whatever you want to type. Then add the span inside the button. Okay, we can add the span inside the button as well, as I am doing. Then cover that, and there add a class. What the class I just want to add is just the badge, DGE badge. And here I'm just typing 3110, whatever you type. Now refresh that, and I got the notification, and this is not looking like the button, which means there is the problem. Now save that and refresh that. Now this is like the Bootstrap button. Okay, and this is why I just want to show you that it can be applied on the button as well. Well, the other thing I just want to show you is actually the label. So how to use a label? For that, first of all, we have to draw the div, and then inside the div I'm just choosing the page header, because I'm thinking that I can just guide you about the label best in this way. Well, here this is the h1, and then I'm just typing downloads. I can type anything, whatever you want, just suppose softwares, downloads, or anything. Then add in space and just type span, cover that, the span, and then go to the first one tag of the span here, and then just add a class of label. Okay, now which effect do you want? We will just decide in the next class. Now refresh that. This is the downloads, and there is nothing inside this span. I'm just typing beta. The meaning of beta is actually we are continuously making this downloads. Well, I got nothing, so it's add in a space and type label info. Save that and refresh that. I got the beta in the label info. And this is what I just want to show you. Well, this is not necessary to show the label into the info. Refresh that. Now this is the way of the default way. Okay, looking perfect. Download, and just the beta is just showing that this downloads feature is not completed. Actually, this is in the beta mode. Well, if we are just creating a subheading, so we should use the h3 or the h2, whatever you prefer. Refresh that one. Now this is looking more perfect. By the way, you've understood about the label and the badges, so in the next class I'll teach you some more. Stay tuned and goodbye.